Hello everybody and welcome back to Kev Creates. Today we're going to be going over a tool in Bambu Studios that will be very useful for many of you who are just getting started in 3D printing and you find yourself in Bambu Studios, and this tool is the measurement tool. Going forward, this tool will allow you to get precise measurements in all of your 3D prints and even do some cost cutting, like if you need to trim some filament off in order to get uh, cost savings or filament savings on your prints, making sure that things fit, especially whenever it requires uh, smaller than millimeter fitments. So in this tool, you can actually measure angles and you can measure distances as well. We're going to be going over angles first. So now that we have clicked on the object, we can go up to measure, and using your mouse, left click, and then you can left click another surface in order to get the measurement. If you want to get out of this, simply click on the surface in order to get the surfaces deselected. Now, if you want to measure for distances, you're going to have to hit Shift key, left click. You'll have to do it again. So let me come up here, adjusting the angle, and Shift key again. 35 millimeters. This is a pretty precise angle here. So, hold on. Sorry. Let me go back. So, as you can see, we have the measurements between these two. Comes out to about 35 millimeters. It's going to be uniform across the rest of the rows that you see here. This is actually a tie holder. The reason why I need to use a measurement tool today is to make sure that this tie holder is going to have enough room between these 2 points in order to hold the ties in place. So that has been your tutorial today for the measuring tool. And if I'm correct, let's look here. If you want a quick glossary for knowing the exact functions of this tool, all you have to do is scroll down to the keyboard icon and it will pull up your glossary. And depending on what language you're also using, it'll change automatically. So that's the tutorial today. Wanted to keep it quick. If you have any questions, just leave them down below, like, subscribe, and in my next few videos, I will just be doing more tutorials, and I'm going to be doing a debriefing on the wedding project that I actually finished for my sister. So stay tuned for that. Y'all have a good week.